Welcome back, guys. In this episode, I'll let you know the sixth thing that I got for my Jeep. Let's make our way onto the top. Right there, I actually got a roof rack on it. This is the type of roof rack that I decided and chose to put on it. I went with this particular type of roof rack since it's basically flat surface, and I can install other accessories like lighting or a basket or anything else. I'm planning to maybe also include bed racks. Still looking and debating on which one to add on so I can have it flush alongside the roof rack there, and still include my sports roll bars here. Yeah, that is the sixth thing that I got for my Jeep, and I'll be back and I'll let you know what the seventh thing that I got for it. Stay tuned for more. Peace.